How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deactivating your Instagram account is already a temporary process, so you have to open up the Instagram app, come to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, and then just go to the option called Account Center. Once you go to Account Center, over here you'll find under Account Settings, you'll find an option called Personal Details. So you can just tap the Personal Details option here. Then go to Account Ownership and Control. From here select Deactivation or Deletion. Then just select your Instagram account. From here, select the option called Deactivate Account from here. Then just tap on the Continue button, enter your password, and your Instagram account will get temporarily deactivated. This way you can temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.